Dude, that's some badass dad gear. Where'd you get it? My stuff is weak.
Thanks, man. Active Duty Dad Gear, a veteran-owned USA company.
Dude, that's sweet.
Yeah, Active Duty has diaper bags, messengers, shirts, hats, all kinds of cool stuff for dads.
Dude, I'm gonna go on the World Wide Web and get some right now.
You check them out on Instagram too, Active Duty Gear. They do sales and giveaways all the time. Cheers. Weird, dude. You literally meant right now. Dude, I went to activeduty.com. They ship so fast. I got this sweet diaper bag, shirt, hat. What do you think? It's strange, dude, but you look good. Active Duty Dad Gear's the best, am I right? Man, that was wild. All right, bud, Dad needs more coffee.